like I need to put some more wood on this fire. But he said, what kind of stuff, if would I be doing, you know, if I had, spending power? If I had spending power, what would I be doing? I would be stacking up saws. I live in a wooden house. I know there's going to sustain damage, and I know I'm going to have to do some building, and I may not have access to, circular saws and jig saws because of power issues. So, a handsaw, a handsaw gonna be right there where if you can get to it, and that'll be the problem after the earthquake is you won't be able to get to stuff like handsaws, grain mills. Look at this pot right here. I'd get about two more of them right there. That one right there. See how you can put them coals on top? You can put the coals on top. Y'all seen them in other videos. My wife is cooking a pie in it now.